How can we as teachers help promote and influence healthy food choices for children? By introducing nutrition in primary school years, we can help children make more informed choices from an early age. This unit of work, Let's Get Healthy, has been developed for a Year 3 and 4 level and draws upon the content in the personal, social and community health strand of the Australian curriculum. With content connecting to descriptors, identify and practice strategies to promote health, safety and well-being, and describe strategies to make the classroom and playground healthy, safe and active spaces. Let's Get Healthy focuses on being healthy and nutrition, and this presentation will discuss more about the unit developed, including pedagogical strategies, assessment strategies, use of ICT, and how it provides a safe and challenging learning environment for students. Let's Get Healthy looks at how students can be more healthy by making more informed nutrition choices and eating fruit and drinking water on a regular basis. Let's Get Healthy utilises a range of pedagogical approaches, incorporating both teacher-led explicit instruction and inquiry approaches to learning. Explicit instruction will be used to direct student learning on knowledge about healthy nutrition and food choices through sequencing skills, strategies, and concepts logically, according to Archer and Hughes 2011. While inquiry teaching will encourage students to play an active role in their learning and develop skills in self-direction, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills, according to Felder and Brent 2009. Let's Get Healthy implements a variety of assessment strategies, including teacher observations and portfolios. Teacher observations, according to Wild 2003, can provide quick and instant feedback on student progress. However, they can lack objectivity and become inconsistent if not implemented correctly. Portfolios are another great way for teachers to measure student learning and progress over time. However, they can be very time-consuming to organise, implement and evaluate, according to Rosal 2014. This unit will use the ICT applications Seesaw and Google Classroom, both of which are digital resources that allow students and teachers to share and collaborate classroom activities and learnings. Within this unit, the students will be required to plan and create their own healthy lunchbox and healthy food plate in Google Classroom Docs, and then upload and share this onto their Seesaw portfolios. Teachers also need to promote a safe classroom environment for students where they feel comfortable and ready to learn. In saying this, teachers could implement clear guidelines on classroom rules such as respect of diversity within the classroom when it comes to nutrition, as well as modelling kindness and positivity to promote students with optimum learning opportunities, supported by Crockett 2018. So to summarise, I ask again, how can we promote healthy influences on food choices for children? We do this by introducing health and nutrition units of work in primary school and inform the overall impacts of wellbeing. Thanks for your time.